Hey guys, welcome back to 12 DIYs of Christmas. For this DIY, we're making pea pastas. The first thing you need is a piece of paper cut out in a rectangular form. I used an old wrapping paper. You can use whatever paper you have, just cut it out in a rectangle in your desired length and breadth. You're just going to start folding in accordion, just like I'm doing in this video. Once the folding is completed, you're going to have to cut the top and the bottom of your folded paper. You're cutting the two edges to form the star shape. You're now going to fold the middle and then you tie. I'm tying with a fishing line, but I think you can tie with anything you have, a rope, a twine, whatever you have readily at hand, you can use it to tie. Now I'm trying to create an additional pattern, trying to cut it to create additional patterns. This process is actually optional. It's completely up to you if you really want it like that or not. Now you open everything out and glue it together. I'm using this UHU adhesive, but you can use any paper adhesive you have readily on hand. It's going to work perfectly as well. You can use a glue gun, but the problem with the glue gun is that's going to make it a little bit bulky. So you use any light adhesive you have. Now my paper star is ready. I made a bunch of others using brown paper too. So now you want to attach it to the wall. I'm using my double-sided tape or nano tape to do the attachment to the wall. You can use this method, or you can suspend using your fishing line. Whichever works for you, works with your home decoration, is what you do. I also thought of adding lights behind the paper stars, just to form like a wall cone, and so I also did that. I added the light using the double-sided tape. Mind you, if you're trying to do this, please ensure that the double-sided tape you're using is a lot, so that the lights don't fall off. And that's it, guys. This is pretty much all I had to do with these paper stars. Everywhere looks festive and beautiful. Now we put on the lights, and yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you're trying out our other DIYs of Christmas. Till next time, bye bye.